everyone, I'm Sakshi Tiwari and I welcome you to our new lesson. Well, are you also planning to attend your next wedding party? I'm sure you have either attended or you're going to, you're planning to attend a wedding party because the wedding season is around the corner already, right? And everywhere it's the wedding rings that are jingling, right? But wait. As you're going to attend the wedding ceremonies, I hope you're confident. I hope your English is polished. I hope you know what we call dulha, dulhan, maika, sasural, mandap, saat vachan, etc. in English. Well, if no, then I am here. You have my back. I welcome you to our new lesson, which is wedding vocabulary from Hindi to English, where we are going to learn the Hindi to English wedding vocabulary of all the words that happen in, wedding. So let's get started. The first one being this one. What do we call dulha? Dulha in English is called groom or bride's groom, right? Dulhan is called bride, right? What about Vadhu Sakhi? Vadhu Sakhi means the women who are mostly there with bride, the cousins, the sisters, or maybe the friends of almost the same age. There is a group of, women who surrounds the bride. So they are called bridesmaids. Similarly, with groom, it happens to the cousins, brother, and the friends of his age surround him, right? And they are called groomsmen, right? Now, what about this one? Shahibala or Sahibala in cultures. What do we call this in English? Well, Sahibala is called best man. What do we call Sagai in English? Sagai is called engagement. Yes. After Sagai, they become mangetar to each other, right? For men, we say his fiancé, and for women, we say fiancée, okay? Fiancé and fiancée. Well, what about this one? The Sagai ki anguthi. Well, Sagai ki anguthi is called engagement ring, right? I hope you're able to understand. Okay, now what about Shadi? If I have to say कि आज शाम को 7 बजे मैं एक शादी में जाऊंगी, now should I say marriage में जाऊंगी or wedding में जाऊंगी? Well, the right word is wedding because विवाह समारोह is called wedding and marriage is used for relationship, okay? When we are talking about any relationship, like friendship is again a relationship, right? So we can't get into it. We can't get into marriage. Marriage is a relationship, right? Wedding is a function, is an event, right? So for shadi as a relationship, you must use the word marriage, and for vivah samharoh, you must use the word wedding, right? What about this one? Shadi karna, to get married, right? Now this you can say in basic English, and in advanced English you can say to tie the knot, right? That's how you can communicate. Oh, they are tying the knot on 20th December. They tied the knot last month, right? That's how we communicate. Now there are types of vivahas, right? Prem vivah is called love marriage, right? Where the man and the woman, they fall in love and they decide to get married. Now the other one being where the family members, जब आपके परिवार वाले आपकी शादी तय करते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं अरेंज्ड मैरिज, क्योंकि वहाँ आपके परिवार वाले पूरी सिचुएशन का अरेंजमेंट करते हैं. दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड arranged marriage. Then of course we also have kanuni vivah, which is called legal marriage in English, right? Now there are times when we have a bichaulia, मतलब कि जो लड़के की साइड and लड़की की साइड के का रिश्ता कराता है. And bichaulia in English is called as matchmaker. कभी कभी ये बिचौलिया होता है कोई वेबसाइट shadi.com या फिर कोई हमारे घर का रिश्तेदार या somebody else, right? So bichaulia is called as matchmaker, or maybe we can also call it a marriage broker, right? Now what do we call shadi ka card in English? Well, shadi ka card is called wedding invitation card. Yes. What about barat? Well, barat is called wedding procession, right? And in barat, who all are there? We have baratis in barat, right? So baratis are called procession member. Okay, easy to understand and remember. Barat is wedding procession and barati is procession members. Okay, बाकी जो गेस्ट होते हैं शादी के, जो बाकी मेहमान होते हैं, उनको हम बोलते हैं wedding guests. All right. शादी की दावत is called as wedding feast. Feast is a word which is used for दावत. अब अगर मान लीजिए भंडारा है, भंडारा, भंडारे को भी हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं फीस्ट, लेकिन उसके आगे हम वर्ड लगाते हैं कम्युनिटी, कम्युनिटी फीस्ट। शादी की दावत को हम बोलते हैं वेडिंग फीस्ट, ऑलराइट। Mandap is called wedding canopy, all right, and whereas pandal is called wedding tent, right? शादी के जो फेरे होते हैं, 7 फेरे, they are called as 7 vows. शादी के जो 7 वचन होते हैं, they are called as 7 promises, right? शादी में जो हमारा ग्रूम होता है, जो ब्राइड को मंगलसूत्र पहनाता है, उसके लिए कोई एग्जैक्ट एक वर्ड नहीं है। उसको डिफाइन करने के लिए we can say sacred wedding necklace. Sacred मतलब पवित्र, wedding मतलब of course शादी का, and necklace, all right. सिंदूर is called vermilion, vermilion, okay, and गठबंधन is called wedding knot. So कन्यादान के लिए भी we do not have any other specific word because ये हिंदू कल्चर का वर्ड है, right? So for describing कन्यादान we say giving away the bride by parents, all right. Dahej, what do we call dahej in English? This is called dowry. If अगर लड़की वाले आपको अपनी खुशी से if they give you something, that is good, but forcefully demand करना, मांगना, that is against the law. I hope you're aware of it. Mala is called garland, right? And Varmala is called wedding garland, right? Rath is called chariot. साफा और पगड़ी is called turban. विदाई is called farewell. पालकी is called palanquin. मायका is called parental house. ससुराल is called in-laws house. ससुराल वाले are called in-laws, right? And सुहाग रात is called wedding night, either wedding night or nuptial night. Yes. What about सास? सास is called mother-in-law. Sasur is called father-in-law. Bahu is called daughter-in-law, and Damad is called son-in-law. Yes, great. I hope the lesson was helpful. अब आप मुझे बताइए कि इन चारों को हम इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, कमेंट करके बताइए, ओके? Also, अगर आप इंग्लिश में मास्टरी पाना चाहते हैं, here is an ebook for you that you can buy that will help you to master vocabulary. All right, where to get it? Follow me on my Instagram, check my Instagram stories, click on order, and within 5 minutes you will get it in your inbox. Within 5 minutes, right? And it's barely of 100 to 150 rupees. All right, great. मैं मिलती हूँ आपसे अगले किसी लेसन में. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Happy learning.